Our story begins, as many have in the past, with two brothers. These two brothers had a mother who loved them very much, a quaint little house on the hill, and enough curiosity between the two of them that one day they got tired of what they had and decided to venture out into the open land before them. Their mother was quite upset that they were leaving, but they assured her that they would follow the path and stay out of trouble. They would go out and find marvelous stories to bring back to her. They traveled far and wide, walking day and night through hilly pastures and beautiful green forests. They encountered strange, foreign animals and were even chased down by a few. Stumbling upon new cities, they were able to meet and mingle with people and cultures they had not seen before. After weeks of travel, the pair of brothers finally happened upon a fork in the road. Right where the road is split, there's a sagely, wise old man looking sternly at them both. The younger of the two brothers asks the old man, "Which road is best?" The man tells them that the right road is strict with rules and regulations, but is safe and secure to travel on. The left road has none of the rules the right has, so travelers can do as they please, but there are many dangers and risks. The choice is yours, he says. The older brother demands to go by the left path, claiming that they have lived under rules and restrictions for long enough. They are men now and should have the freedom to do what they want. The younger disagrees, trying to persuade his older brother that the right path is the better choice. After all, freedom does not mean much without safety. Alas, even after much discussion and argument, they cannot agree and decide to part ways. The older brother takes the left path where freedom and danger alike are abundant, and the younger brother takes the right path where, along with the regulations, safety is guaranteed.